I repeat, among the candidates of the leaders, to convince the judges and the audience, what is your edge or asset to be the basic point in the election?
Good afternoon, Polinians! I hope you are feeling my vibe today because my edge in this presentation is my energy. My energy influences the youth for the building of sportsmanship, and good leaders. And to influence and promote and to use my voice to advocate the youth and to use the internet, young mass of technology and internet to spread confidence and speed and to advocate the Polinians to chase, never give up, pursue your dreams, and always have your hope at all times. Thank you.
Let's take a number. The number you picked is number 2. So your judge is Miss Elsa Carrasco. Okay, here is your question. If you could be an athlete in the Olympic Games, what sport would you choose and why? I will repeat. If you could be an athlete in the Olympic Games, what sport would you choose and why?
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for if I could be an athlete in the Olympic Games, then I would choose swimming. Because swimming is a unique sport, and it matches my personality. Swimming requires strength, flexibility, resilience, agileness, and more. Not everyone can swim, which makes swimming a very risky sport and unique one. That is why I pick swimming. Thank you.
If you were a type of sports ball, what would it be and why?
I would choose to become a basketball because basketball is very famous to us fellow Filipinos.
I repeat, how do you promote sportsmanship and fair play among your peers?
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for that question, Mom. I will promote sportsmanship among my peers by being humble with integrity and accepting wholeheartedly whatever the outcome of my endeavor. Through this, I can be a role model to others. Thank you.
Your question is, who do you idolize in sports and why? I repeat, who do you idolize in sports and why?
Ang tagumpay ay hindi isang aksidente. Ito ay pagsusumikap, tiyaga, pag-aaral, at pagsasakripisyo sa mga at higit sa lahat ang pagmamahal sa mga ginagawa o natutunang gawin. Yan ang isang pinakasikat na kasabihan ni Edson Nascente do Nascimento o mas kilala bilang Pele. Siya ang aking iniidolo sa larangan ng sports na soccer. Siya ang pinagmulan ng lakas, pag-asa, at tibay ng loob. Nagampanan lahat ng aking mga tungkulin sa buhay. At ang nagampanan ng tungkulin sa aking buhay. At siya rin ang rason kung bakit nagkaroon ako ng lakas upang sumali sa mga patimpalak kung saan nagkakaroon ng mga labanan at siya rin ang dahilan kung bakit mayroon akong lakas
now start the Q&A. Be an athlete or rich?
I would rather be an athlete. There are a lot of benefits in becoming an athlete. It teaches you strength, it teaches you time commitment, it teaches you to build relationships among your peers. And when you are a professional athlete, you can gain money. So I think being an athlete is smart because not only do you develop lifelong skills by playing sports, but you gain money as well.
If you were given a chance to compare your personality to your chosen sport, what would it be and why?
Without saying everyone, in every action, there is a positive and negative reaction. It has always been my character to do wise and analyze different factors that can affect my actions and decisions. In playing chess, you should be wiser in order to achieve a good outcome that leads to success. What can you say to those who underestimate female sports?
Wala akong sagot.
Okay, thank you, candidate number 4.
I will repeat. How will you encourage the youth today to still look for the beauty of the sport?
Good afternoon, everyone, and thank you for the presentation. I will encourage the youth, the individuals, especially the youngsters, to keep living for the beauty and importance of sports by helping them with reaching their goals and giving them the motivation to keep on striving for their dreams. As a Polynesian, I was taught to help other individuals to know their vocation. Thank you.
Thank you, candidate number 7.